NASA Federal Credit Union Personal Loan Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're thinking about taking out a personal loan in 2025, you've probably come across NASA Federal Credit Union. But is it really worth your time, or should you explore other options? In this comprehensive review, we'll break down everything you need to know about NASA Federal Credit Union's personal loans, from eligibility, rates, fees, and repayment options to real-world examples and comparisons, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your financial goals. Let's start with the basics. NASA Federal Credit Union is a member-owned financial institution serving employees, retirees, and family members of NASA, military personnel, and select partner organizations. As a credit union, it often provides more competitive interest rates and lower fees than traditional banks, which can make it an attractive option for personal loans in 2025. Membership is required, but eligibility is relatively broad for those affiliated with NASA, the military, or certain community partners. A NASA Federal personal loan is an unsecured loan, meaning you don't have to put up collateral like your car or home. Loan amounts generally range from $500 up to $50,000, depending on your creditworthiness and financial situation. This flexibility makes these loans suitable for a variety of purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvements, medical expenses, or large purchases. One of the standout features of NASA Federal personal loans is the interest rate. Rates are competitive and vary based on your credit profile, loan term, and whether you set up automatic payments. For example, as of 2025, members with excellent credit can secure rates as low as 7% APRA, while those with fair credit may see rates in the 12-15% range. Compared to typical bank personal loans, which can reach 18% or higher for average credit, NASA Federal's rates are appealing for borrowers who qualify. Loan terms are another critical factor. NASA Federal offers terms ranging from 12 months to 60 months. Shorter terms mean higher monthly payments but less total interest paid, while longer terms lower monthly payments but increase the total cost of the loan. For example, a $10,000 loan at 9% APRA over 24 months would result in monthly payments around $460 and total interest of roughly $1,060. Stretching the term to 48 months drops the monthly payment to about $250, but total interest rises to nearly $1,920. Understanding this trade-off is essential for planning your budget and choosing the term that fits your financial situation. Fees are an area where NASA Federal stands out. Many personal loans come with origination fees, prepayment penalties, or late fees. NASA Federal's personal loans do not charge origination fees, which is a significant advantage. There is no penalty for early repayment, meaning you can pay off the loan ahead of schedule without incurring additional costs. Late payments may incur fees, but these are standard across most lenders. Eligibility and application process are straightforward. You need to be a member of NASA Federal, provide proof of income, employment, or other financial stability, and submit a personal credit check. NASA Federal uses soft pulls initially for pre-qualification, which won't affect your credit score. Once you formally apply, a hard inquiry is performed, which can have a minor impact. The approval process is relatively quick. Once approved, funds are typically dispersed within 1 to 2 business days, allowing you to access money promptly for your planned expenses. Another benefit is the ability to manage your loan digitally. NASA Federal offers a robust online portal and mobile app, making it easy to track balances, make payments, set up autopay, and view statements. Autopay can even reduce your APRA by a small amount, rewarding disciplined financial behavior. The convenience of digital management is particularly valuable for busy professionals who want to stay on top of their finances without unnecessary hassle. Now, let's talk about credit requirements. NASA Federal personal loans generally favor borrowers with good to excellent credit. A FICO score of 700 or higher significantly improves your chances of approval and access to lower interest rates. However, borrowers with fair credit may still qualify, though they may face higher rates and smaller loan amounts. It's important to review your credit profile and compare offers to ensure you're getting the best possible terms. Real-world examples can clarify the benefits. Imagine you need $15,000 to consolidate high-interest credit card debt. By taking a NASA Federal personal loan at 8% APRA over 36 months, you could reduce monthly payments from $750 across multiple cards to roughly $470, while paying off debt faster and saving hundreds in interest. Additionally, making on-time payments would further improve your credit score, creating long-term financial benefits beyond just cost savings. Comparing NASA Federal to competitors, many traditional banks and online lenders offer personal loans, but interest rates and fees can vary widely. Online lenders might approve borrowers with lower credit scores but often at higher APRA. Traditional banks may require longer application processes and stricter eligibility criteria. NASA Federal strikes a balance by offering competitive rates, quick approval, no origination fees, and the reliability of a credit union. One potential limitation is membership eligibility. Not everyone can join NASA Federal, and some borrowers may need to explore alternative credit unions or online lenders. Additionally, while rates are competitive, they may not be the lowest in the market for borrowers with exceptional credit. It's always a good idea to compare multiple offers before committing. Customer experience is another key consideration. NASA Federal has a reputation for friendly and helpful service. Members report satisfaction with application support, transparency in loan terms, and responsiveness to inquiries. The ability to speak with a loan officer directly and clarify terms before committing adds confidence, especially for first-time borrowers or those unfamiliar with personal loans. Another factor to consider is loan purpose flexibility. NASA Federal allows loans for virtually any personal expense, making them versatile tools for financial planning. Whether you're tackling unexpected medical bills, renovating your home, or consolidating debt, the loan can be tailored to your needs. This flexibility adds value beyond simple cost comparison. To summarize the advantages: competitive interest rates, no origination fees, early repayment flexibility, quick funding, digital management, and strong member support. On the other hand, the main limitations are membership requirements and slightly higher rates for borrowers with fair credit. In conclusion, NASA Federal Credit Union personal loans in 2025 are a strong option for those eligible for membership, particularly for borrowers seeking competitive rates, flexible terms, and reliable customer service. If your goal is to consolidate debt, fund personal projects, or cover unexpected expenses while keeping costs predictable, NASA Federal offers a compelling solution. While it may not be accessible to everyone, for eligible members it represents a financially savvy choice. By carefully selecting your loan amount and term, making timely payments, and leveraging the convenience of digital management, a NASA Federal personal loan can help you achieve your financial goals efficiently and responsibly.